I'm Michael Dean. I'm the instructor here at Epcot for diesel technology. I've been here for almost 14 years, and I went through the program myself. I've been working in this field ever since 1979. It's been a good provider for me and my family all those years. I've seen a lot of changes come along during the time, and so many changes now with computers on the trucks, emissions controls, things like that. In this class was diesel technology, and here we cover the brakes, drivetrains, engines. We go basically everything from front to rear on the truck, heavy trucks. We do concentrate on mostly diesel, that is our program. Students go through here, they can gain enough knowledge to do entry level into this work field, or they can also take dual enrollment classes through here that I teach at night, and they are through Northeast. You can get extra training that way. You can earn some student certifications through here. We offer some in measurements. We offer ASE student certifications. When you're a senior, you can take those and get a student certification. Those will be in brakes, engines, drivetrain, steering, preventive maintenance, things like that, which would give you a good thing to put on your resume. Career opportunities. Right now the field is very wide open because we have an aging workforce. So we have a lot of positions to be filled in the next few years. The trucks of today are very heavy on technology. You have a lot of computers, you have GPS on these trucks, you have electronic driver logs. The emissions on these things now are just like cars. So they are very, very heavy in technology, and therefore students now coming through that are geared toward computer technology, they should do very well at this field. Good pay, very unique work. You're not doing the same old thing every day. It's all individual. Trucks are all different, and so it's a lot better working than working in possibly a mill or some type of production work all the time.
Hey, I'm Tobias Austin from Section High School, and I've been part of the Epcot diesel program for 3 years now. It's really helped me discover a lot of new things and understand how to do a lot of things in the mechanical field, and it's really helped me find out what career path I want to take. Everybody here has really helped me out to get a job. It's a really good program to get in.
My name's Garrett Wheeler. I go to Pisgah High School. I'm a senior, and this is my third year in diesel technology. And it's a great career opportunity, and you learn a lot. Have great job opportunities when you're older, and it's just a great opportunity.
Hey, I'm Caleb.
Hey, I'm Carson.
And we attended the diesel program. We work here at Tri-Green Equipment in Scottsboro, and I went through the John Deere AgTech program after graduating.
And I'm currently going to go in the AgTech program.
We both work here, mostly working on tractors. We're currently working on the sprayer right now, going through a calibration on it. This is the kind of stuff we do, here every day. I don't think I'd be able to do it, you know, without some of my background that I got, you know, at the tech school in the diesel program.
I agree. Mr. Dean helped us out tremendously,
Yeah.
and we would never be where we were without him. So
Yeah.
he made a big part in our lives. How we learned mostly everything from him. So
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of what got me, I know where I am today is going through that program and everything that I learned in it. You know. But yeah, this is the kind of stuff we do here, and like I said, I don't think we'd be able to do it without having a little bit of that background. You know, kind of got us one foot in the door
yeah.
to where we're at now. You
Oh
know?
yeah. Epcot in general is just a great place, and they're very welcoming. Helps us out a lot. So
Yeah, I'll agree with that. But I think that pretty well wraps it up, don't you?
yep. Thank you.
Thanks.
My name is Perry Wilkes. I'm the instructor here at Ernest Pruitt Center of Technology for collision repair. A little bit about my shop. Well, to start with, collision repair, just the main idea of collision is taking a vehicle that's been damaged and restoring that to pre-accident condition. And that could be, you know, from a wreck, that could be restoring a paint job. So that kind of gives you an idea of, you know, what collision repair is. A few things about my shop. It prepares you to go straight into the industry. There's an opportunity for different certifications you can get. ASE student certification, ICAR Platinum. And basically that's just showing, that's you taking tests, doing different things to get that certification, just to show employers that you have the skills to do the job. A few different career paths you can take. You can go right into a collision shop. I've had students work for insurance companies, car dealerships, parts stores. So the automotive industry, really, it branches out, and you can go, you know, take several different pathways. We do live work in our shop too, so it's taking a you know, you're coming from a school atmosphere, getting to go to a shop, and we have customer vehicles we bring in. We do all kinds of work on. I even have students that have brought in their own vehicles that we can work on. So there's a lot of different opportunities that for different things that you can do in our shop.
Here, Roman. I'm a junior at North Jackson High School. This is my second year of program of collision repair. I love what I do, and I'm going to college for this, and it's like a great job to work on. If you love to do cars, you should come by and be enrolled.
Adrian Cardenas. I'm a junior from North Jackson High School. This is my second year in collision repair. Mr. Wilkes has taught me different things to use in the future, as in working on cars, like my own vehicles or vehicles from a customer. I recommend this job for anyone and everyone who's interested in this type of job.